Okay, there she is.
Hi, hello.
What would I do to have your hair?
Oh my God, really?
How's it been? You become like, I know you're doing everything. I know you have minimal help. And how are you winging it? How are you making this sound like a breeze?
I think at some level, because post having Naira, I guess I tried a nanny for like all of 2 days, and it didn't work. So from the beginning, I did everything for her, and with Hans, I did everything for him. So I was very used to kind of being in that whole doing everything myself zone. And incredibly, when I was pregnant with Naira, my full time maid just upped and left. So for 1.5 months of my pregnancy, I was actually doing housework. And Akshay was like, "Have you gone mad?" And I said, at least I'm having a fit pregnancy.
Yeah.
So I'm sort of maybe somewhere I knew this quarantine was coming.
Yeah.
So I mean, I'm not scared of it. Like this morning, I've actually made a crazy video for Instagram with my mother-in-law. Crazy. Like the things I get my mom-in-law to do is shocking. Like my husband thinks I'm crazy. And after that, I've gone and made Chinese food and washed the dishes, and then gone and breastfed Naira. So it's a complete crazy situation, but at least it's keeping me sane. I mean, I can't imagine people who just have all day with nothing to do.
Yeah, I can't fathom that as well. But before we move on to the hack, Samira, I have to ask you this. When you
Hmm.
came for KST Awards and you gave that speech which went viral, like I mean, मुझे अपने awards की speech like 50 WhatsApp group में forward मिल रही है, which makes me very happy by the way. Did you think that was coming? Did you think it's gonna cross 10 million views?
No, I honestly didn't. And I'll tell you what the magical thing happened that day. So the truth is that Naira was very unwell that day. Okay, she had a stomach infection and she was crying in the room next door. And you know that I came to you and I said Naira's
Yeah.
crying. My mother-in-law said you have 10 minutes, Samira. 10 minutes में speech खत्म करके please come here. And I was like, okay, I'm done. So when I came on that stage, I think I had nothing prepared. And that was maybe the magic that happened. Because everything came pouring out. I think I was so upset seeing Naira crying so much. And when I came, I didn't have a thought process. So I think everything just came from the heart, where everything that I really felt came, and there was no filter. Already I'm known for having no filter, but I took it to another level with your speech, where I just said kuch bhi that came to my mind. And I think people appreciated that, and for that I'm grateful.
That's amazing. Like, what was the leftover rice, roti, something,
Oh my
something?
God, guys, leftover rice rotla video. It's basically at the starting of the lockdown, everybody knows that you can't finish the rice, okay? There is
Yeah.
a little rice always left over. So that rice, from that you make something called a rotla. So
Okay.
I put the recipe up and it went viral, and a lot of people and a lot of men have messaged me. A lot of guys
Wow.
have messaged me saying, we're single, ma'am, and we have rice left over, so we're making our rotlas and eating it. So somehow it worked. The whole leftover scene has worked because we're in lockdown.
Yeah, which is amazing. Okay. Now everybody wants to know your what's a day in a life of Samira Reddy under lockdown right now.
Oh my God. I don't think we have that much time on this live. Okay, first of all, Naira, darling Naira, rockstar Naira, that everybody wants to know about Naira. That little
Yeah.
naughty Naira wakes up at 5:30 in the morning, guys. 5:30 in the morning, and she still wakes up twice or thrice to feed. And a lot of people have asked me why I don't train that, but honestly, I just don't care. I'm like, I wake up through the night. 5:30 I wake up, and then my day starts at 5:30 a.m. It just everything from me. Then Hans wakes up at 7, and he wants his chocolate milk. Then there's breakfast. Then this whole lockdown में खाना में क्या बनाएंगे भाई is the most irritating question you can ask. I mean, ladies, please back me up here. What do we make for breakfast? We're eating breakfast. What do we make for lunch? When we're eating lunch, what do we make for dinner? I mean, it is. annoying, but that's all we're talking about. So honestly, it's really all about efficiency. So
Yeah.
it's breakfast, then it's getting Hans to homeschool. After that, it's like literally it's all like a deal, you know. Then there's Naira's bath time, then there's making the lunch, then getting over with the lunch, cleaning the plates. It's like a full on situation. But what's interesting in the middle of all that, the thing that de-stresses me is making Nautank videos.
Yeah.
I
This
love
sounds
making
lovely.
the I love making the most stupid videos in the world because I need them. I need them. And I'm telling you, my newfound love in life is editing. I love
Seriously?
editing. I take rubbish from the house and I make the most ridiculous videos. Half of them are not up on Instagram because my husband and my mother-in-law will slap me if I do it. But I love making fun and enjoying the dumbest things in the house, and just kind of having humor to laugh at yourself, you know, with the fact
Right.
that maybe I have gray hair, or the fact that I've put on weight, or like just things like that we usually would get hyper about, but I would rather laugh at them. I would rather take them very lightly.
Right. No, which is amazing. I'm going to take some questions because we have lots of them. Great stories. Homeschooling is the next big thing. What are your views, Samira?
Yes. Okay, homeschooling, I have to admit, I laughed at anybody who would talk to me about homeschooling before the lockdown. But I will tell you that after the lockdown, Hans has done incredibly well in homeschool. We are so particular about him, and I guess we're so focused on him that he is reading, way ahead of his age. His math has improved. Akshay, who's working simultaneously, has his eye on him and is pushing him even harder. So there's this lovely chemistry between father and son. So I'm really enjoying homeschool. In fact, I'm enjoying a bit too much. I'm like,
Yeah.
this is good. It's good for him. It's a lot of pressure on us, but I feel that it can really help the kid learn in a more like intimate way with the family.
Right. You know what I'm loving about the comments? That you are turning into this inspiration, man. Like, I mean, you are already, but I'm loving like the fact that people are, you're beautiful just the way you are. Keep up the good work. You inspire us.
Oh,
Like, this is incredible, Samira, what you've created, the brand you've created for yourself, right? I'm
it's
so
it's
happy.
just to be honest, and I say this, I think I was so miserable for maybe a year and a half of my life where I felt so fat and I felt so low. And I think that somewhere, like, I still get people, I can still get those oddballs on my account who come and say, Madam, please color the white hair, or like, Madam, when will you become as slim as you were in race? I get those questions and I don't feel bad about them. But to me, I represent women and even men today who just want to be. यार छोड़ दे मुझे. You just let me be. I want to live my life. I want to wake up in the morning not feeling chotu about things I have and don't have. And I think somewhere, because I speak my mind, the most beautiful thing is I don't get to go through half my messages. But when I catch that one off message where somebody says, I was feeling so low, but thank you, my heart melts. I just melt because I know that there's something good and there's something right about this, and that's what drives me. That's my driving force. And so if I'm getting these messages,
Yeah.
I'm only grateful to God that it's happening.
Okay, now tell us about the hack video that you've created, where you create all these things in the kitchen and then it makes your life easier in the kitchen, which is the video
So,
that you're
like, I'll
talking
give you
about.
an example, okay? When lockdown happened, the first thing that came to my mind was, oh my God, how do I make my life easier? So,
Yeah.
for which I was like, oh, I need to just, sweat down all the tomatoes and make it a paste and put in the freezer. Lasun ko you chilo, you mash it, put in the freezer. Garlic in the, ginger in the freezer. So in my head, I was more about efficiency,
Organize. Yeah.
efficiently organizing.
Yeah.
And on Instagram, I mean, no reference or disrespect to any of the celebrities, but I was seeing celebs saying, oh, now I'm going to do this and I'm going to do like art, and, I'm going to do, and I'm like, who has the time? I mean, what are these? Are they living with like butlers and maids? Because, yeah,
Yeah.
I'm only thinking about how do I conserve Naira's, diapers that I have, and how do I make sure I have enough cloth diapers for her, and how do I make sure I have enough saman to last me without going out into the COVID. Like, this was my main source of inspiration in my head. So the first video I made was purely to just tell people how to freeze food or how to conserve bread, or like, so these are the kind of hacks that I was beginning with, and I see that this is what has worked with people. Whether it's leftover rice, what you do with it, whether
Yeah.
it's banana in your hair, whether it's using shakkar and lime on your body, or even
Yeah.
just glow powder. It has to be sasta, because in the beginning when I started my videos, I was using my Tom Ford and my all my expensive stuff, and I realized that it doesn't matter. It needs to work for everybody. So those are my
Absolutely.
hacks.
Yeah, no, absolutely. So, guys, while we're discussing that, I have done the same. Like, I've squeezed a lot of nimbus and put them in ice trays. So I just literally remove one when it is required. Done that with sauces, pesto, chutneys, whatever else it is. Because really, it is. Samira, I feel you. You at least have one help. I have no help. So I feel you. Like, I
My
really
biggest
feel.
help is my mother-in-law. Man, my sasu has become a star. She
And
has
we've got
become
some
a
comments on
star.
your Jugalbandi with your mother-in-law, which people are
Okay,
loving.
guys. Okay, guys. If you have seen my Jugalbandi video with my mother-in-law, right, where we did flip the switch,
Yeah.
tomorrow I am launching our part two of that. Where, oh my god, it is hysterical. We shot
Let's
it
ask
yesterday,
people.
and
How many people give us a thumbs up if you've seen her Jugalbandi video? Let's see who else. Like, I need to
Chandni
comment.
wants me to live call. How can I live call you, darling? Hello, messy mama. Naira is sleeping. Hans is outside staring at me, but I cannot let him in. I just cannot. Or should I?
Otherwise, this
Cheetah.
live will end. This live will end.
So yeah, so like, I think somewhere also what's incredible is people have very bad relationships with their mother-in-laws. And somehow I don't know why. I mean, maybe because my mom-in-law is actually quite funky. She's tattooed and she listens to heavy rock metal and she wears boots and she's an artist. So, and she's quite a nautank, which I love about her. If I make her do wild videos, she's actually okay about it, which I'm quite impressed with. So
Yeah.
somehow during this lockdown, we're finding ways to just entertain ourselves. Of course, we have moments of meltdown. I definitely sit sometimes in the bathroom and howl because I don't know what the hell is going on. But most of the time, I keep it together and I believe that I have to do it. Otherwise, we're going to just, it's a very hard situation for most people. And yeah, there are people with 10 maids and there are people who literally live in one room together. So we just have to be grateful at the end of the day.
Absolutely. Guys, please keep sending your questions. I have too many to take, but I'm just going to quickly hop over. What is the one thing that a woman should carry all over her life? Should carry for the rest of her life? Asks Sai.
Oh, what a woman should carry?
Yeah?
Her confidence.
Right. Okay. The next
Seriously,
one.
that's the number one.
What is that one thing you self-learned or learned something in a hard way in your life? Ask Akshaya.
Okay, what I learned the hard way was to love myself.
Yeah.
Seriously, I had no self-worth till many years back, and it's only recently that I've actually embraced myself, and my god, I should have done it earlier. Absolute waste of time, guys. Never ever feel low.
Right. Okay, people have asked if you what's the gray hair remedy and do you use henna?
Okay, no, guys, there is no gray hair remedy. You see this? That's there. It's there for life. I get people asking me, is there some natural thing? Hans, come here. Hansi, Hans, come. There's no remedy for this at all. What I do use is I use a natural color from America called Natacolor, and I'm being honest about it. And I only put it when I have a brand shoot. When I have to shoot an ad or I have to do something where it's work, where trust me, a brand doesn't want to really deal with my gray hair, then I put it on. But most of the time when you see it flying all over the place, it's when I actually don't give a damn because personally, I love it. I'm not bothered with it.
Yeah. Which is amazing. People have asked how do you get me time in all of this chaos and how are you managing to stay sane?
I do not have any me time. I'll be very honest. I get that 10 o'clock in the night when Hans and Naira are both asleep. I try to spend time with Akshay and hang out with him because as a couple, trust me, in a lockdown, there is no space. I mean, there is
Yeah.
literally no space. So I always take couple time more than me time. It's also, I have to balance that out. And me time is definitely just maybe sometimes during the day locking myself in the bathroom with Hans going, Mama, Mama, Mama.
Mama, what are you doing?
Yeah, I mean, I'm having a shower. I'm on the board. Like, what do you want? You know?
Okay,
So
he
me time
knows
is
you're doing
impossible.
Instagram. He knows you're on it.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, he's coming in now because Akshay wasn't allowing him till now. Yeah, he knows I'm on Instagram, and what's scary is that he can come. He's very aware of all this, which is a bit scary. Hi Hans. You wanna see my live? Come on quickly, everybody wants
Mama,
to
I made something for you.
you oh my god.
Messy, Mama.
Oh my god, really? This is my boy.
I love the messy mama.
The messy mama. You come and say hi to everybody here. Say hi.
Hi.
Just don't.
Hi. My God.
Okay. So this is my friend Mansi. Okay, and she's Mama's friend. And these are all your friends over there. Everybody. There are. Hello, Hansi. Say hi, Rahul.
Hi, Rahul.
He's asking, how you doing, buddy? What did you say?
Good.
Good. Oh, that's great. Yeah,
Oh
so in
my
general,
God.
I think that kids are really going through a lot of stress in this, but now they've all managed. Like Hans is very used to it. He always says, "Go, Corona, go."
That has become like
He's
an
gotten used to
anthem
it.
now.
Huh?
Hans, is Mama doing well, or is she troubling you during this lockdown?
Am I troubling you? Or am I a good mama?
Good, Mama.
Oh my God! I
Good
paid him to say
mama.
this. After this,
What did you bribe him with, Samira? Hans, what did you promise you
I
after this
swear.
live?
Okay,
After this,
a lollipop. Hi, smarty pants. You're supposed to say you like me without a lollipop in the picture, okay? Yes.
I'm
Okay.
loving this. Hans, what does Mama do in the bathroom? Does she take really long?
no.
I'm poking him up on the back.
Our kids
Boy.
know it, dude. Our kids know it.
Hans, you are pushing my table, and this phone is going to come falling down along with your truck that's holding it standing. You know, the thing is, I don't have a tripod, so I end up using Hans's toys to prop the iPhone up.
Which is great. You've anyways become the hack queen.
I use anything. I literally use anything.
Okay.
Mama.
Hans,
Hmm.
what is it? Okay, there's just so many requests, but your kids are like celebrities, dude. Like, there's
Listen,
only
I am
Hans
telling
and
you,
Naira.
the Reddy Samira account is not Reddy Samira. I am telling you, 3/4 of the fans are for Hans and Naira. I'm just the sidey in the side. I'm like,
Yeah.
you know, just that person who's the guardian.
Okay, Hans, how much time is Mama on the phone? I think you must say all the time. Samira,
No,
don't
One
picture from the
minute,
back.
one minute,
No,
one
you know,
minute.
surprisingly enough, even when I answer all the comments and stuff, I do it when the kids are not around. When the kids are around, and especially with Naira, we have a very clear-cut thing. If she's in my arms, I cannot be holding the phone. No gadgets around her. So it's incredible that whatever little time I get, you know, I always try to answer people and stuff, but most of the time I don't get the time.
Right. No, amazing. We have lots of questions, but I know you need to run. And you told me that, listen, I have to do this while Naira's sleeping, and I know you have to do tons of other
And
things.
no,
while Naira's
Naira's up.
sleeping.
I can hear her crying, right?
Oh God,
Naira's
I am
woken up,
sorry,
huh?
Samira.
Thanks, Hans.
Okay,
No, that's fine.
While we have lots and lots of other questions coming, just very quickly, your key takeaways from this lockdown, and like how you're just managing to stay so positive and funny. Like how are you doing it?
So I
That
will
you have
always say
control.
this in the lockdown or any time in your life, and I say this to everybody I speak to, you will always have a part of you always talking to you and telling you how you're feeling. And I'm talking about your inner self. So in a day, I have 10 times in the day where a part of me will feel bad, will feel down, will feel scared, anxious, uncertain. And sometimes I have to listen to it and let it go and just say it's okay to be scared, but I will be happy. So the point is to choose happiness. The point is to choose the fact that you want to stay afloat. It's not to say that these feelings are not there, but it's to say that there and I'm okay about it. That's the way I deal with it. So many people ask me, they're like, how come you're so happy? And I'm like, you know what? I'm not happy all the time. I choose to be happy because I'm also scared. I mean, it is a very strange time. We don't know what's going to happen. We don't know where the damn COVID is. But as long as I'm in my house, I'm making smart choices. I have these two fools behind this fool behind me. I have a mom-in-law who is supporting me and a husband who is there for me. I mean, that's all I'm grateful for.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, there's this line that Shah Rukh said, and I want to quote that, which is, he said that we have all the time in the world in our hands and our loved ones in our arms. Why should we be sad, right? And it's the
Absolutely.
line that, just like, you know, the day I'm feeling like, dude, when is this gonna end? I just feel like, why? You know, like, why am I even asking that?
No, but
Because,
Akshay and me, somehow we've gotten now very used to it. We're
yeah,
actually loving the silence, and we've actually now we've resigned and we have relaxed. Like, because he works from home and I'm doing all
yeah,
my craziness with the fam, we're fine. So the whole point is to not feel so down. Know there is a light at the end of the tunnel, but definitely go through your emotions. Saying
yeah.
I'm positive and I'm happy, Om Shanti Om all the time is not right. And also feeling down and saying, oh my God, it's the worst thing in the world. You just have to stay neutral.
Yeah, no, absolutely. And for everybody who's tuned in, the hacks that Sameera was talking about, whether it's her makeup, beauty, or her kitchen hacks, you guys can all access it on her IGTV. And for all those people who requested for the video where Sameera spoke her heart out, and which everybody's got on their WhatsApp through some forward or the other, is on the Kids Stop Press IGTV. So guys, go ahead and watch that. And I must say, I'm very excited because I've recorded a fun podcast with her yesterday, which I'm waiting to edit and get it out there very, very soon. So more power to you, girls. Stay as real as you've always been, and I'm so happy you're raising such positive, real children. Like, this is amazing. This is incredible.
Thank you. Thanks a ton. And guys, look forward to crazier videos from me. Fun stuff. And as usual, we're going to try and be as crazy as we can through this lockdown.
Amazing. I'm going to see you on the other side of this.
Thank you. Thank you for joining the
Bye.
live, guys. See you all. Bye.
Bye.